get back to work. What's up, guys? It's cold outside today. It's 21 degrees with wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour. You could probably hear it, but that's not gonna stop me. Fun fact, I used to live in Alaska, so it's actually not so bad. Today is gonna be the start of replacing the axle. We're gonna get the old axle out and the nice air ride axle into this thing. I pulled the pony out of the stable. She's a little cold. I'm gonna let her warm up for a little bit. I think I'm gonna put a pallet underneath the tank, but I need a pallet. 1, 2, 3, pallet. Well, as I say in all my videos, she's a little rusty. Rust tastes good. I don't know why I do that. It's probably gonna be one of my catchphrases. All right, so I got the jack stands. They're made for boats. They've been sitting outside for a little bit, so I put a little PB blaster on these things. I'll let them soak, and then if they don't move again, I'll put a little heat on them. Fire!
Torch, the ultimate rust buster.
All right, a little bit of help from Dad, and we got these jack stands good to go. We just have to give them a little heat, a little bit of PB blaster. Yeah, they move. We lubed them up nice. I mean, they've seen better days, but this works perfect. Well, there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 tires taken off. Guys, check out this truck. It's hovering. Oh wait, it's got jack stands underneath it. Just kidding. So if you add up the days to get to this point, it was probably like a solid 5 days of, you know, like working hour days. So not bad. We got at a good point. So now we just got to finish cleaning this stuff off and start taking measurements to get the nice air ride axle on here. If you remember, I said I am going to switch this axle to a nice air ride suspension axle. But what I had found out was this axle is a lug-centric axle, and this one is a hub-centric axle. As you can see here, the hub or the wheel actually sits on the hub and just gets bolted to the drum, and here it's kind of like an acorn nut and it holds the wheel in line. So what I'm gonna try to do is take the hubs and swap them and see if it'll work. I don't know if it'll work. I'm gonna give it a try. hopefully it works. Like I said, I've never done this before. I've worked on small trucks. I've always worked on small trucks, small diesels. I've never worked on big rig stuff yet. So this is all new to me. I'm learning as I go. I'm a certified YouTube mechanic, and it's gonna be great. You know, I need Bubba's help. And Bubba, what are you doing over here? You're not supposed to be playing in the water. Get back to work. I think that's it. I saw a trick. You take a hand truck and put it underneath. It should be able to wiggle the rest of the way out. Yeah, look at that. Come on. Alright, that didn't work so. That wasn't so bad. Man. Ooh. Oh, something was making a nest. Sorry. Squirrel or chipmunk was making a nest in there. Sorry, you're not paying any rent, bud. Getting kicked out. There we go. Slide this out. Oh boy. So here is the inside of the hub. It's a 4-inch nut. And of course, I don't have a 4-inch socket. I tried hitting it with a chisel and I chipped it a little bit. So I am gonna make one because every auto parts store near me does not have it, and I'm not driving 45 minutes to this place, so I'd rather just make one. Yes, we do have a CNC plasma table. This is the part that we're gonna make. It is a 4-inch by 5 1/4 circle, and we're gonna cut it out of some 3/8. You're making too much noise. I'll wait. Hey, good. Shh. Okay. So here it is.
Wrench, you make one.
That's right. All right. So there's the wrench. How's it look? 4-inch?
Is it hot?
No, it's not bad.
It's like right on the money.
Awesome.
But this side you gotta check because it goes a little tapered.
Yeah. There we go. There's our 1.5-inch piece. Here we go. Hopefully it works. Nice little weld on each side. Beautiful. So last night, this was the hub nut socket that I had made, and it worked out pretty good, but I wound up actually stripping out this part. It was too thin. I went in my socket set, found a 1/2-inch socket. I think it's a 9mm. I don't think I've ever used a 9mm on 1/2 inch. And I welded that on, and it worked perfect. It's a little crooked, but hey, don't look at it. Just put your head sideways a little bit.
Welcome back to Fire Truck Build, part 92 at this point.
It's really gonna take a long time.
So one thing that you could definitely say about Will is he is an inventive guy. GalerieGarage, how you doing?
Yeah.
So he needed a 4-inch socket. I know this is all sideways. I'm sorry, YouTube family. The he just, you know, casually made one.
Right in there. Easy.
4-inch semi-axle sockets are for sale on the website. Custom.
Nice and easy.
Made out of, what is that, quarter, 1/2 inch?
This is
quarter?
This is
3/8?
3/8, and then I think this is 1/8, and then you need a supply of 9mm socket.
For 9 low payments of $49.95, you could have yours today. Shipped right to your door. It's every mechanic's dream.
Yep. So this is what locks the inner nut that keeps it on, and that's just the safety. So you put this one.
Oh, there's another nut in there?
Yeah, there's 2.
See, the more you know. Today's lesson with Will.
But this one's supposed to be loose. Not loose, it's supposed to be, you know, you tighten it all the way, you spin it, you loosen it, and then you hand tighten it to like the next hole. And then you put the locker on there. It's keyed. And then you take the next nut, put it on there, and tighten it down. I think there's a torque, but I'm not sure what the torque number is yet.
Once this project's completed, I guess we could put schematics to the entire fire truck build.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Acorns!
We got a squirrel, boys! We got some acorns. That's nice.
Can you pop acorns like popcorn? It's a nut, right?
I don't know, actually. I know people eat acorns. They like go around and collect them after they fall off the tree.
I don't know if I'd want to eat it.
The squirrel people.
Yeah. Is that like a thing where, you know, there's like what is it, furriers?
No, it's not people dressing up as squirrels eating acorns, Will.
Is there their own? Like, do they have their own, like, furriers?
I imagine that, like, they have a thing that's not really an acorn that they, like, pretend. Okay, so when it snows tomorrow a foot, you're going to forget that's there. You're going to take the snowblower, you're going to ram into it. Then you're going to break every shear pin and the entire Sears snowblower. And guess what's not in business for your warranty? Sears. It's gone. So, come on. It's like parking a car in the middle of a snowbank. I don't even understand.
I don't know, man. Well, here's the end product. This is exactly what we need. I just needed to get the hubs on. Got the nice hubs in. So this is what I was talking about. It's kind of like an acorn nut. It's the lug nuts. It's called lug centric, and that's what aligns the wheel. And we got this actual roller now. So now it's going to be a lot easier to weld this end to that end over there. It's going to work perfect. Oh, yes!